Hi guys, Kitten here, and I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of drawing a panda. We're going to be using lots of shapes, very simple shapes that are easy to draw, so it's going to be very simple to draw. So I'm starting off with a circle for the head. It doesn't have to be perfect. Pandas aren't perfectly round. For the body, I'm going to do another circle. You could go through the head to get another, like a perfect circle if you wanted it, and just rub it out, but I just decided to end it at the bottom of the head. You could see that I messed up the circle, so I just rubbed it out. See, I'm not doing it perfectly. You don't have to do it perfectly. Towards the bottom of this larger circle, you're going to draw two more oval shape because they're going to be sort of on the side. If you do perfectly round ones, it's going to be more like frontwards, and that's not the look we're going for today. Alright, so in the smaller circles, you're going to draw sort of a circle off the side, leaving a bit of space from the bigger circle. And then you're going to draw a little curve just off that one, and that's going to be like the crease of the foot, so the top of the foot. Then for the leg, you want to draw a line from that crease, maybe halfway down that crease, straight up connecting to the body. And then from the bottom of the foot, you're going to draw a line not straight up, but sort of on an angle, but eventually connecting to the body. So it looks like it's flat sitting down. Alright, so with the arms, they're not going to be perfectly like a shape that you'll know, but what you used to do is start from the top of the crease where the top of the body starts, connect to the head, do a curve until just above the leg, and then do another curve like you're drawing a circle, but don't complete the circle, just do a little flick out, and that's the crease of the arms. So you have the hands and then the arms. Rub out where the body was, where the arms are, and just fix up the arms if you accidentally rub out some part of the arms. Alright, so we're just going to do the ears, just semicircles on the head. They don't need to be too big. Pandas don't have very big ears. And then you're going to draw two circles on the face. They don't have to be perfectly round. They're the black patches that go around the panda eyes. Then you're going to draw two really small circles in those circles to be the eyes. And then we're just drawing a nose, sort of like a cat nose, but it's a bit longer. Pandas have pretty long noses. And then just do a little smile. Now I'm just drawing lines of where the black would go on the panda, so you can see circles around the legs and that little line connecting to two arms, so that's where you put the black. Just on the legs where the body would be, just rub that out. We don't need that. You could leave your panda at that, but I've decided to go around it with some Sharpie, clean up the lines and stuff like that. The black lines make it stand out a lot more. Now I'm just going in and colouring in the black spots. As you could see, I had a little bit of grey there, but I ended up deciding to get rid of it because it didn't look right. Maybe you could do it a lighter colour similar to black, and you'd be able to see those black lines. With the eyes, instead of making the eyes black, I did the patchwork around the eyes black and just left the eyes white. Now you have a simple cute panda drawing step-by-step tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.